Hey YouTube, this is, let me see if I can get it set up. This is our score today at the local phone save. Hopefully that won't blow away because I need those. And we're going to replace just the right side here because as you can see, the wife has been driving it. So let's see if we can get it set up here. We're going to replace the bezel, the bezel, whatever the hell you call them, and the marker lights. I had to go back today and get them. But I'm hoping some of the screw holes gone. I mean, this is terrible. We did score some extra screws. Ooh. I can replace them without replacing this. This is our heap. I mean, this one's seen better days. The registration's up this month, and we got to get emissions, and we're probably going to re-tag it, drive it for a little while, and then I'm going to take it off the road. But at least I can keep it in my driveway with good tags on it. Missing all that crap. This one I got in maybe '95, I think, when my daughter was born. So it served its purpose, and it's ran good all these years. I really haven't done a lot to it, but it's got, I don't know, almost 200,000, right at 200,000 miles on it. My wife only drives a couple miles to work every day, so it was good for that. The heater worked, but while it's still running, I'm gonna either fix it up and sell it. Really fix it up. Not quite sure. Or we might turn it into something crazy, just have a fun project with it. Maybe paint it AMC colors, I don't know. We got all kinds of pieces and parts. Did get other light bulbs, but these are still good. Okay. Only had to take out 3 screws because everything else was damaged. It's not that hard to do. I know you could still buy them. Through here we have Keystone, like a body parts place. You can buy stuff like this. But I got 3 sets for, I don't know, I think I paid $19. Lights and everything. So it wasn't too bad of a deal. Put this back in here. Like so. Don't you know I don't need parts falling off. I don't drive this very often. I'm going to put my Cherokee ZJ Touring back on the road because I enjoy driving that. That's got all kinds of cool stuff on it, which I'll show in the video eventually, all the stuff I did to it. Most of this stuff ends up broken. And people are trying to take stuff apart, so a lot of times you get there and they just rip these things out. You can never get a good dash or a good console, which is a shame. Did I take the wrong one? No, I'm putting a black one on. Okay. another screw, which I'm sure I got, but I'm not gonna make you stick around for that. Put this one in first. Anyway, if someone wants a good Jeep, make me an offer. It starts and runs, that's all I'm gonna promise you, and the heater works. We change oil on it. I'll probably do a minor tune-up just to get it through emissions here. We have a sniffer test we have to go through. We don't have like a state inspection, which I wish they did when I was working on cars, because it would give me a lot of business. Keep safer cars on the road too, because some of these cars people drive are nuts. There we go. I do not want to go in. I believe it's 75 degrees out today, and we're supposed to get snow tomorrow. Unbelievable. Only in Colorado. I doubt we'll get a bunch of bad weather though, because it's that time of year though. March and April, we usually get weird weather. Go. And there you have it. All right, folks, take care.